Here's a certified 2021 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo i6 engine, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, automatic with driver control suspension management, automatic parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,